My name is Gregory Provan. I am one of the two coordinators for the Bachelor of Science in Data Science and Analytics, and I'd like to provide you with a quick overview of the program for the year. So this course is managed by both computer science and the mathematical sciences, and so over the next few minutes I'll provide you with an overview of what to expect over your 4 years. So I'll talk about the curriculum and the resources. So we'll learn about where to go when you need to get help and how to perform well in this program. So this is a 4-year program, and as I said, it's 50-50 between computer science and statistics. So this slide gives you a view of what to expect over each of your 4 years. So in year 1, on the computing side, you'll get an introduction to databases, to programming in Python, and to the foundations of computing. And on the statistics side, you'll get a good foundation in the mathematical and statistical sciences. In year 2, you'll continue with your work in computing on databases and programming, and you'll be introduced to algorithm design. On the statistics side, you will get some further mathematical foundations and you'll start your work on probability and modeling. Year 3, the key element here is a work placement, which can be of duration 6 months or 12 months. And prior to that, you will be working on the computing side in further programming and in data visualization. And you'll receive training in mathematical model development and further analysis of the statistical side. Finally, in year 4, the key aspect here is the year-long project, which can be done either in statistics or computing. And you'll have a variety of electives, but on the computing side, you'll be doing some work on big data and machine learning, and there'll be some statistics work on machine learning and high-dimensional analysis. So the key facts of the curriculum, as I said, there'll be 50% of your curriculum in statistics and mathematical sciences and 50% in computer science. So there'll be either a 6-month or 12-month industrial work placement. The majority of people will do the 6-month placement. There will be this 4th-year project, and in general, overall, we will be looking to have a hands-on data analytics framework. So you'll be learning about the foundations, but throughout your 4 years, you will be learning about how to actually apply these foundational methods to real-world data. So let's look at the curriculum breakdown over each of your 4 years. So because this is a fairly packed program in terms of having it be 50% computer science and 50% mathematical sciences, you will be having a set of 55 core credits in year 1, and there'll just be 5 credits of electives. So you'll have a set of 4 computer science programs. So as I said, you'll be learning about databases, the foundations of computer science, and then there'll be a 15-credit module on programming. On the mathematical and statistics side, you will have a course on mathematical software. You'll start work on linear algebra, calculus, probability and statistics, and statistical programming. And you will have an elective. So either this will be mathematical modeling or an introduction to operations research. And most people, when they elect one of these 2 courses, they will continue that into their 2nd year. So year 2 has a similar structure. There's going to be 55 core credits and 5 electives. And as I said, for the electives, once you start with a sequence, either mathematical modeling or operations, research, decision making, you will probably continue that. On the computer science side, you'll continue your sequence of databases. You'll continue with programming, but now you'll get an introduction to Java as well as Python. And you'll get 2 modules in algorithms and data structures. On the mathematics statistics side, you'll continue with linear algebra. You'll be going on to multivariable calculus. And then you'll have your first serious course in probability and mathematical statistics. Year 3, the highlight is a work placement, and this is going to be equivalent to 10 credits, and this is going to be a pass-fail module. Prior to that, you will be getting some training on workplace technology and skills. And on the computer science side, you'll get a course on cloud infrastructure and services. You'll start Java programming, and you will have some courses on the theory of computation and data visualization. In the statistics side, you'll start courses on stochastic modeling, estimation theory, hypothesis testing, and generalized linear models. Finally, in year 4, you will have 3 basic elements. One is the project. There will be 25 credits of required modules, and you can choose 15 credits of electives. So this project, as I said, either can be in computer science or in statistics. You'll have a collection of required modules. These will consist of either computer science modules, and so here you'll be doing some modules in machine learning from the computer science point of view, so that will be more of a computational framework. And there will be some courses in machine learning, which will be looking at things from the statistical framework. In terms of the electives, you can choose 15 credits, and you can choose any of the available credits. So you could choose all computer science credits, all statistics credits, or you could choose a mixture of those 2, and that is really up to yourselves, and this can complement the project choice that you've made. Okay, so what is the student profile? So clearly, students should be strong in mathematics, and we will be looking for students who can have a good foundation in logic and computational reasoning. It's good to have an inquiring mind and willingness to adapt. So within the industrial setting, there are broad changes going around in data science and computing, on a daily basis. And so a willingness to adapt and to take on new technologies is absolutely critical. And this will be a core part of this foundational program. So how can you succeed? Well, clearly, a lot of this material is not something that you can just learn at the last minute. So you need to have continuous engagement with the course material, both in theory and in the practical aspects. So lab work is critical for both the statistics and computer science, and it's critical that you keep up with your programming. And if there are any issues that arise, the 2 coordinators, myself and Michael Cronin, will be very happy to engage with you and to help out at any point in time. So if there are any issues, we welcome engagement with you. So myself on the computer science side and Dr. Michael Cronin on the statistics side, we are more than happy to engage and to work with you to make everything a success over the course of the program. So with that, I will close and welcome you, and hope that you will have all success throughout your program. So congratulations on coming into this program, and we wish you the best over the 4 years.